Okay, so we're just stood here at the entrance to Villa Diana, and this is a brand new listing located on the popular development of Cortiers Romero, which is the most established urbanisation in the Alcacin-Vimuela area. So we got good amount of parking area, lots of retaining walls, nice stonework gone into there. Here you can see obviously on the front door, brand new wood effect UPVC front door, low maintenance, and a nice pool with southeast views, good amount of terrace, and it's all on one level. Okay, so very practical, fantastic view of Mount Maroma there. All main services are in, as well as established gardens there. Need very little irrigation now, but you've got nice gated entrance there, very secure, good covered terrace with the brick pillars, and say all one level property. So got barbecue over there in the corner, and it's in very good condition. It's been painted recently. Side terrace around here with a useful storeroom. Okay, so this is where you keep the pool gear, big 150 litre water heater there, electric. Okay, and then at the back you've got some terraces there with big retaining walls, and a number of fruit trees and palms. Okay, so as I said before, it's mains wastewater electric. Lovely kind of setting here. You're only 20 minutes from the coast, so it's very convenient. And actually no monies need to be spent on this property. It's all in good shape, and it goes up to the top hedge just there. Okay, you see the gate, sorry, the fencing. Okay, so let's take a walk inside. So nice open plan L-shaped living room with nice modern light floor tiles throughout. The kitchen, good size with granite tops, all appliances, dishwasher, washing machine, all electric with hob, oven. Okay, so it's a nice kind of social living area. There's AC in all the rooms, plus the wood burner there for the winter. Like I say, very nice light and communal room. So here you got three bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This will be the master. Okay, so you've got AC in the top corner there, fan, as well as fitted wardrobes throughout. Some nice kind of wooden wardrobes, nice finish. And then this has got the patio doors leading straight out onto that pool view and terrace. So the ensuite, got a big walk-in shower unit there. Okay, nicely finished, lovely tiles again. There's no need to be upgrading tiles or changing bathrooms around. They're all in good order. Bedroom number 2. Okay, they're all inverter units. There's fly screens as well on the windows, and like I say, it's in very nice condition. General bathroom there, so you got sink, toilet, and shower over the bath. Again, neutral colours, nice and light. And then bedroom number 3, which is a twin with the AC and the wardrobe. Okay, so this is Villa Diana, and this is on for 215,000. It's just been lowered in price from 225. And if you want further details, please contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed via the website villasolutions.net. Thank you.